right there. All righty. Good afternoon, everybody. Man Carter, Steel Country Home Restoration here, coming to you live out of San Antonio, Texas. We've got a roofing project going up here today over in the Estonia neighborhood. The deck has been torn down. I'm actually ready to perform a drone inspection. We're going to get the drone up and we're going to take a look at the decking system, make sure everything is okay. If there's any wood repairs, wood rot that we see, we're going to go ahead and swap out the 4x8 sheeting. We don't do repairs. We replace the whole sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and get the drone up. I'm going to go ahead and document this so everybody can see how we do things. And again, always grateful for an opportunity, always grateful to come out in the community and do good work and make sure that we take care of our homeowners. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get the drone up. I'm going to pull my pilot on here. This is my Ava 2. Ava 2 comes with a little headset. Come over here, turn on my finder. Hear that little click? That means it's engaged. I'm going to adjust my sights. And the drone is to my left. We're going to launch. So we're going to step back. And we should see the drone kind of coming over my head here in a minute. We want to make sure that we are right where we need to be. Here we go. There's the drone. All right. So we'll go ahead and take it straight up over the roof. Now let's see what we see. Let's see what we see. So I'm actually getting up over the roof right now. It's our dump trailer. So I've got the roof over the front elevation. I'm going to get a couple pictures. Everything looks good. We're going to come over here on the left side of the house. Decking looks really, really good over here. Man, these job sites can be a little messy. Thank God I've got really good crews that do a really good job of keeping everything clean. So yeah, we're moving along here. I see a couple of bright spots here. Yeah, this decking is really healthy. I'm really surprised because every time we generally come back with the tear down on a composition shingle, which is the builder grade material, we typically will find 1 or 2 areas around the pipe flashings that needs to be replaced. So far so good. Let's see what we got here. It's just dirt. Nothing there. Uh-oh. I need another vent. Everything's looking really good here. No issues. Underlayment is going on. These guys are moving along. I think we might be done by 12 o'clock today. Now, they should be done probably by about 2 or 3 by the time we clean up. But everything's coming along good. Everything looks great. No issues, man. I'm telling you. What a blessing. Very, very rare that the decking is all the way clean when we're dealing with composition shingle. Usually something will bleed through. But no, our deck looks great. Let's see. Let's peek over here on the front. Ooh, yeah, we're going to have to replace some wood here. Okay, so yeah, I did see a little area. Let me take a little closer look. Let's see here. Ooh, looks like there was a repair here once upon a time. Okay. Let's see. Let's take a peek. I think we're okay. Yeah, that looks good. All right, that's it. Everything looks good. Land this sucker. Everything looks good here. So we always want to make sure that we check the deck. Make sure everything comes in clean. I'm going to go ahead and bring my drone in. Right there. Alrighty. Alrighty. We'll be back later this afternoon to get that second part of the video up and make sure things are going along well. Man Carter, Steel Country Home Restoration, signing off. Have a blessed day all.